What's up?
Hey, ball in a corner pocket. I just read her diary when I'm ballin' at Mercedes. No cop car, she a tyrant. Yeah, that T, that means she take it. She'll feel right if she play me. She won't take my bread, no bacon. And just for that, I'll love the cake. She
Get that shit. Oh, easy.
Why you turn my light on?
You slow that bitch down?
That's all I have. I don't have any more dance. Where's the ones I sent you? You ain't sent me no video in a long time. Every time I send you a video, can we please wait till my back kill?
The real.
Grilled cheese now. What you eat right? Right. I gave it her. She keeps saying it like it just so smooth. It just slides. Different. Like what? All back. You see how they get in there like that? Like that shit.
They. I like that part. You like that part too.
Shit gone. Yo, we at Waffle House right now. If you was talking to somebody, y'all stop talking, you wouldn't get them their stuff back. So you gotta release. I want to release that. I'm gonna still rock that thing. I'm gonna release while I'm rocking it. It depends. I was matching energy. Like this girl, look at this red jacket I got. This is my favorite jacket. We ain't talked in months. I'm gonna be like, I need my jacket back. It's gonna be my way of seeing her. Like I feel like some people here stuck up. Yeah. And they don't even got it like that. Like
Girl, you stuck up. Like,
trying to hide they ratchet.
that all-star special. Eggs scrambled with cheese, grits with cheese.
My tattoo itching, bro.
Where your tattoo at? Let me see it.
It's covered up right now.
Right.
I'm not even gonna show it to their ass.
Didn't even go do it today. We're not gonna talk about how we almost died at the other Waffle House.
This man was just staring at us, about to attack us. Her scary didn't even want to get out the car.
Girl, you the all right, bye y'all.
Bye bye.
Yeah. To all my sons worldwide, all my juniors, I apologize for my absence. I know I left you without a name to drop. I don't know how I expected you to get your clout up and get your money up, but don't worry. Daddy's home. And I know I missed so much of your life. Turn me up. Yeah. Niggas know they need to stop. Now I'm standing at the top. That's how I know you never seen the top. Sierra King parking lot, looking like that in city parking lot. Hear the talks when I walk by, like you know it's open when you drop. Hey, drop. Yeah, and I'm coming with the wop. Y'all niggas not pop.
What's up, y'all? Welcome or welcome back to my channel if you're new.
Say you're gonna be in love with me. It's driving me crazy to think that
Okay.
We're not even gonna do the whole why I haven't uploaded any here because I'm back. It is currently November 8th. Really should have started recording on November 1st, but it's okay because we about to get ready. It is currently 10:27. I have work at 11, so we finna get ready for that. I work from like 11 to like 5-ish, 4:45-ish, somewhere in between there. It looks like it's gonna be hot later on, but it usually be cold in the warehouse, so I don't know if I wanna go like pants or I'm probably gonna wear this shirt because we don't have no uniform with these black leggings. My work shoes are currently in my car. For those who don't know, I do lashes. I've been doing lashes since February. I did a mini vlog of like me going to get my tripod. So we might as well incorporate those clips into this video. Y'all, I'm putting top is from Shein. The pants are Fashion Nova, and then I'm wearing these little sandals. Today is gonna consist of Walmart run. I need to get lotion and a tripod. I got some homework to do. I have to run to the lash supply actually, because I got a client at 3. I'm using this roll-on Miss Dior. This stuff smells great. I'm thinking like, should I keep my hair up or should I let it down? We just gonna act like I wasn't supposed to be gone and we left the house before 10. So right now I am on the way to the lash supply store. Any lash techs, the lash supply and Gwinnett, they're open on Sundays. Anyway, get out your So y'all, I got some new. All I really needed was some lash trays. So I got the Lash Supply brand, and when I first started doing lashes, and it worked pretty good. I've been using like different lash tray fans ever since though. So we're gonna try these again and see how they work. And then look at the cute little bag. Ooh, what time is it? 10:54.
The feds asking questions, I don't know shit about it. It's about a shot that I can't put my finger on. It's about a shot that she ran the test and be on phone.
Me and Christmas go together real bad. Okay. This smells good, but it kind of reminds me of the Jergens lotion. Yep, this one is the best one. Like that cherry blossom, y'all. This right here.
Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. Bitch, don't kill my vibe. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my 2 planets away.
What's up, y'all? So right now we're currently at the diner hall.
Hi, I'm not. I'm the roommate. The best, the biggest,
The biggest?
the baddest.
Period. So y'all, we finna see what the cab got today. Y'all, this is what I'm talking about right here. Hello, how y'all doing?
Hey,
I wasn't even recording today, but they got fried chicken. It's Fried Chicken Thursdays, and they really only have Fried Chicken Thursdays every month. We only have Fried Chicken Thursdays twice a month. Cab right now. Look at y'all. Look at the plate difference. Cause I don't play.
The bad eater I know.
Beans, collard greens, cornbread, fried chicken, yams. I don't play. I get down. Collect the vlog.
Go at me on Instagram, ISSA.TYLAN. I might start right back. You finna get on viral now.
You talking about I'm finna get viral now. We speaking it to existence.
Fact. Post
Yeah.
reels and fan thing or something.
No, I'm just recording. I do YouTube too. Might as well say, hey
ISS.
YouTube.
Yo, YouTube. What's going on? What y'all would do if y'all was the opposite sex for a day?
Y'all probably do a little cut, make my girlfriend mad.
Yeah, goddamn. You put up that little thing, I ain't gonna care. I got it for like 2 years. I probably do everything but I get some bread out of nigga type shit.
You know, like, huh? It don't even matter. Gonna cut with my twin and we be vibing.
There's a pain, you walk in my direction, I go the other way. I start to stutter when I speak. Trying to stand up, my knees go weak. What's happening to me? In the dark, can you tell me what it means? I lay my head on my pillow.
See it, that is so cute. She done left the setup.
Trying to stop for a sign.
I got no sense how hot it is. Just no reason. This is inside. Friend, you think I'm gonna make it in the hole? I think we need it. Real tasty, real good.
You wanna try some?
This junk is busting.
I feel like she's blessing too. We might have to let it go.
You like it? It's good. Yours looks rainbow. Mine's is giving AMC. What's up, vlog? We back in this. I'm finna put my wig on, and then I'm finna put these lashes on. I got some clusters. Oh.
Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the stove, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you. Stuck on your phone, you're stuck in your zone. You don't ever, but I don't wanna give up. Baby, I just want you to get up. Lately, I've been a little better. Wish you would just focus on me. Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
We're about to go to the camp right now. It is currently 6:59.
We get this money, so I guess I can't complain.
The potato bar. We have sweet potato, roasted potatoes, and a brown top of chicken, cheese sauce.
Baby, I just want you to get up. Baby,
Look at the food.
wish you would just focus on me.
11:10 right now. We stopped the Kroger. We got snacks. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Click the post notification button to be notified anytime I upload. All my socials down in the description and on the screen. So make sure y'all follow me on those. Bye, y'all.